Nityanandam, hundreds of years ago, people believed that the sun went around the earth. They thought that the earth was the center of the galaxy. Well, in today we do know that that's not true. Actually, the earth goes around the sun. But even though, like, the earth goes around the sun, did you know that the earth is the center of the whole entire universe? Now, keep in mind that the universe is so vast. And not only that, but there's actually 7 higher dimensions in the universe and 7 lower dimensions. Now, these 7 dimensions, or planes, I should say, are okay. So these are it. So the plane that we're in is called Bhur. Then there's Bhuvaha, Swaha, Maha, Janaha, Tapaha, and Satyam being the highest. And the lower dimensions, the lowest is called Patala. So just keep that in mind. In the whole entire universe, with including our plane and the higher planes and the lower planes, the earth is the center of the whole entire universe. Now, why is that? It's because on Earth is the only planet in the whole entire universe, including all dimensions, where beings can come down and be enlightened. It is the only place where you can get enlightened. And mind you, there are other planets with higher conscious beings who have more technology, who have more knowledge, and who know more truth than we do. And just keep in mind, even though they're higher conscious beings with so much more technology and knowledge, they still have to be born on earth to reach their highest potential, which is enlightenment. There is no other planet in the whole entire universe where you can reach enlightenment. So the whole purpose of being born on earth is enlightenment, because this is the only place that you can reach enlightenment. So know that if you are watching, and know that if you are born on earth, it is solely for the purpose of enlightenment. And there is a risk though when you come down, and that's why higher conscious beings don't usually, or maybe they want to take their risk, so it depends, but they're they don't usually want to come to the earth, because the first thing is it's a lower frequency, energy wise. And not only that, but when you come down, you forget everything. And and also you get enlightened when you exhaust your karmas, meaning you have to exhaust your good karmas and your bad karmas. So you have to have no karma, and that's when you reach enlightenment. But the thing is, when you come down to exhaust your karmas, you forget what you came down here for. You forget what karma you want to exhaust. So the thing is, when you come down, you can actually accrue more karma than when you then removing when you come to earth. So that's why it's a risky business being born on earth, because when you have more karma accrued, you get into that cycle of birth and death. And you have to keep coming down over and over and over and over and over again until you exhaust all your karmas, and that can take lifetimes. But there is silver lining, because Swamiji has happened, and he is an avatar of Shiva. He is an enlightened being who can actually guide you to your enlightenment. And that's what inner awakening is all about. He raises your kundalini to your sahasrara chakra. And when he does that, there are actually 2 ways of enlightenment. So the first way is to be enlightened in the body while you're still alive. And the second way of enlightenment is when you die, your body remembers that experience of having your kundalini raised to your sahasrara chakra, and when it remembers that experience, your soul gets liberated from the cycle of birth and death. So that's why it's so important, to have someone like Swamiji happen, because he's not only bringing all these shaktis and all these powers on earth, like reviving the science of Sanatana Dharma, but he's also there for your highest potential, which is enlightenment. So if you have any questions or if you have any comments, please write them below. And if you think what I had to say is interesting, you should definitely check out Swamiji's YouTube channel. It will literally blow your mind. And so thank you so much, and I'll be talking to you later. Nityanandam.